During UP Assembly election, Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of the state, was known as Bulldozer Baba after his statement on taking action on criminals with the help of bulldozer. However, it seems like Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chouhan have taken a leaf out of UP CM Yogi Adityanath's book to punish the wrongdoers in the state. It is evident from the recent order of demolition of several houses in two districts, Sheopur and Raisen of Madhya Pradesh. On Sunday, bulldozers were used to demolish the house of a rape accused in Sheopur district. The action came after a minor girl was allegedly gang raped by three persons, which sparked the tension in the district. As per the police, the accused identified as Mohsin, Riaz and Shahbaz were arrested for alleged gang rape of a minor girl. The incident led to communal tension in the district. Subsequently, the Chief Minister asked the district administration to demolish houses of the accused involved in the gang rape. Their houses, according to the district administration, were built on government land. The houses were demolished using bulldozers in the presence of heavy police force and the officials of the district administration. A statement from the office of the Chief Minister said that Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chouhan ordered Sheopur district administration to take strict action against those involved in the gang rape of a minor girl. Their houses were demolished in the presence of police. People in the district have welcomed the government action. A similar action was initiated in Raisen district where a violent clash broke out between two communities recently. During the clash, one person was reported dead and over 50 persons were injured. The deceased, succumbed to the bullet wounds, has been identified as Raju Adivasi. The incident had occurred in village under Silvani Tehsil in Raisen district. Several injured persons have been shifted to Bhopal's Hamidiyya hospital for treatment. Chouhan visited them in hospital on Sunday. According to police, FIR has been registered against over 200 people from both the communities, out of which 15 have been arrested. Subsequently, an order was issued by the Chief Minister for strict action against those involved in creating communal disharmony. Following the CM's order, the district administration, along with the local police, used bulldozer to demolish several houses. Here is the video.